welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Cars and Coffee at COTA. Let's go check out the cool cars.
You're watching Taternator, Accelerate with Faith, positive and encouraging automotive content. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the action. Let's go!
All right, guys, we're having a good time. This car meet, you know what time it is. We got to do a vibe check. Everyone's having a good time. Look, everyone's getting some snacks, having a great time. All right, I got to give this car meet a solid 9.0. Let's go. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Let's go check out some more cool cars. What up?
How are you?
Good, man.
This is our all-in-one.
Yep.
This one that you can go from every single surface, exterior and wheels, grill, headlights, windshield. One product for every surface.
Sweet.
This is the same product as this one. It's just in the female version with a scent.
Nice. Different scents. That's cool.
Different scent.
So what would you say makes y'all's brand of car care products kind of stand out from the competition?
We're different because most of our products are all natural and chemical free.
Okay.
So they're safe on all different surfaces. And it's also cost efficient because this
Fantastic.
one product is for your whole car.
I love. Very cool. All right. So where can we find you guys?
Find us on Amazon. Search as Hyper One Automotive Solutions.
So find them on Amazon, guys.
Right here.
Awesome. Well, I'm gonna drop some links down below in the description with my affiliate link to you guys. All right, bro. Great. Tell me your name.
Nicholas Lazon.
Nicholas. Pleasure to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Have a great day. All right, we're running. We're gonna go get some of these cars on film as they're leaving. I love it. Yeah. Woo, that's clean. Look at that. Clean. Sick. That thing is sweet. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, that's it for today. Everyone's going home. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you next time. Godspeed.
Perfect. Perfect.